Okay guys, let's start with the direct and the indirect proof. Um, First of all, we need to verify if this formula is the logical consequences or it's similar to this formula. The first part is divide this one and check if we have a model, if they are similar, and if there's the logical consequences. First of all, we need to do our truth table. We start with P, Q, and R because there's no more elements in the in these letters or in the non-logical constants. P, Q, and R, and P, Q, and R, and there's no more. That's why I put three sections. Let's start with the truth table. We start with 0, 1, oh I'm sorry, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is 0. I'm sorry. Okay, the second part, we start with double. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And the P will have more elements. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we can start. In the first part, P conjunction Q, the only way that this is going to be true if is the P is true and Q is true. So here you have the only way. P is 1 and Q is 1. So this is for end going to be 1. And we have another 1 and another 1 here in Q. So this is going to be also 1. Otherwise, you will have zeros. And that is for sure. In this part, we can suppose that P conjunction Q, I'm sorry to do not put the parentheses. Okay, now this is a correct way. P conjunction Q implication R. Implication R, the only way that this is going to be 0 is that this part is going to be 1 and this part is going to be false. So let's do it. The only chance that we have 1 and 0 is here. So we have 1, 0 here. Otherwise, in all the elements, we will have the true values or 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, let's do this. Q and R. In the Q and R, we will have P conjunction R. The only way is that is going to be Q1 and R0. Otherwise, it's going to be 1. Okay, so let's search. Q is 1 here, and R is 0. R is 0. This is the only chance. So we will have 1, 0 here, and otherwise is 1. Am I correct? Yes, 1 and 0. And this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh no, I'm sorry. We have 1, 1, 0 here. But now, in the P implication this formula, the only chance is that here we have 1 and here we have 0. So this is going to be 0. And otherwise in the next elements is true. So let me explain. As you can see in the final results, we have some equality or model, because this model are the same, true values. As you can see, we have true in this way, true, true. We don't care about 0, but because there is the same true values in the same rows, we have a model. So this is the logical consequences of this formula. This can be. So we direct suppose that this is a model, and also is a logical consequences. Okay guys, I'm going to stop here this video, and in the next I'm going to teach you how can you do it by the indirect formula, indirect way.